In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Robinhood to TurboTax. So the first thing you want to do is sign in to your TurboTax account, and then you want to go to Documents over here on the left. And up here, it says Documents and Linked Accounts. So you want to go to Linked Accounts and click on Add an Account. And from here, you want to look for Robinhood. Now, for me, it's over here at the top, as you can see. But if you can't see it over here, you can simply search for it by name over here. So just search for it, and you will see Robinhood. And then you want to click on it. And it will ask you for your 9-digit Robinhood account number and then 11-digit document ID. So you want to put those two in here. You can read all about the privacy and stuff like that over here up top. And after that, you want to click on Get My Form, and you'll be able to then get your form and essentially import your Robinhood 1099 form into TurboTax. So that's basically the same thing as if you were to go under your wages and income. And in here, where you can see your different, let me just get out of here for you really quickly. There we go. Where you can see your income, it's the same if you go to investments and savings and then basically start this form over here. And after that, you answer yes to did you have investment income. And you'll be able to add Robinhood the same way over here. So it's basically the same. The first method is just a bit quicker. Now, that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.